Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're a subscriber by now. If not, please hit the bell icon right now to receive valuable and timely updates regarding the NEET PG and the INICT exam. So, how do you transform your weak areas into strengths? A lot of people have been asking, see, anatomy मेरे से नहीं होता. I am not able to focus on biochemistry, or say pharma is too difficult for me and I tend to leave it out. Ophthalmology is something I'm not, able to comprehend, and it's better I put in more days into revising something else than reading it completely. So
क्या आप भी अपने नेक्स्ट नीट पीजी अटेम्प्ट को अपना बेस्ट पीजी अटेम्प्ट बनाना चाहते हैं सो दैट यू कैन गेट योर ड्रीम ब्रांच एंड ड्रीम रैंक? Well, then all you have to do is fill the form in the description and we will help you strategize like a pro. तो रुके क्यों? It barely takes 15 seconds. Go fill the form.
first you need to give the GT. You've been giving GTs, but analyze what are your weak areas. Okay, first important thing is analyzing. A lot of people not know what weak areas they have and why are they weak. Okay, so it can be conceptual gaps, it can be application issues, or it can be simply that you do not remember the facts. Okay, so each of these things will be having their own methods to solve. So say if you have some conceptual gaps, go to the main video and read that particular topic, especially if that has been a PYT. Read that from the main video, understand it, and then try to solve questions related to it, so you will be able to do it a lot better. Okay, because some things which are PYTs, we can't skip them. Those are the things we are basing our preparation on. We are building our preparation on the PYTs. So if we leave out the PYTs, it will be a lot of trouble because we won't know other things as well. Yes, if you have application issues, we can solve more questions, we can solve more targeted questions. Suppose what happened with me was, I was a little weak in pharma. So what I did, पहले मैंने मेन नोट से कर रखा था, बट आई डिड नॉट रिमेंबर मच. तो फिर मैंने एक बार रैपिड रिवीजन से फटाफट देख लिया नोट्स के साथ, एंड देन आई रेड द नोट्स, रैपिड रिवीजन नोट ट्वाइस और थ्राइस. मैंने अपने नमोनिक्स बना दिए, शॉर्ट नोट्स बना दिए. आई यूज टू रिवाइज फ्रॉम दैट, एंड देन I used to do custom module per day. मतलब मैंने, I remember in the end I was able to solve almost 100 questions in 11 minutes or 9 minutes. Okay, because याद हो गया था सब कुछ. Just the PYQs. Okay, so I used to put INICT and NEET PG recent tag, and I used to solve till I get 95 plus. Okay, so that's how I completely did it twice or thrice. ठीक है, so that's how I overcame my struggle against pharmacology. So if you have any weak topic or weak subject, एक बार उठा लो. ठीक है, PYT PYQ में strong हो जाओ एटलीस्ट. ठीक है, once you are done with that, then include 2 more tags, image based and clinical, and then become strong in that. So it can be done. It will not take much time, it takes efforts, that's all. ठीक है, but you need to put in those efforts, क्योंकि इन weak areas पे हम थोड़ा सा भी पुश करेंगे तो ये ऊपर हो जाएंगे. स्ट्रॉन्ग वाले एरियाज पे हम ज्यादा भी पुश करेंगे तो वो इतना सा फर्क लाएंगे. समझ रहे हो? बट इसमें हमें पुश करने से रिजल्ट भी मिलेगा, राइट? सो आई वॉन्ट यू टू फोकस ऑन दीज एरियाज. टारगेटेड स्टडी प्लान बनाओ अपना, एनालाइज करने के बाद कि तुम्हारे वीक एरियाज क्या है, और इसके बाद थोड़ा एक्टिव लर्निंग में एंगेज करो. क्या मतलब हुआ? किसी को पढ़ा दिया, ठीक है, या फिर मोर सॉल्व किया, या फिर हमने बंद करके रिकॉल किया. दिस विल रियली हेल्प यू, एंड देन यू कीप मॉनिटरिंग योर प्रोग्रेस ओवर टाइम. सपोज यू थिंक यू हैव डन नाउ क्लियर, 15 दिन बाद solve a QBank related to that. Okay, that's how you will be able to continuously see if that area has improved. And 3-4 areas if you identify like that and work on those and improve हो जाते हैं, this will significantly boost your score by 100-120 easily. ठीक है, and उसके साथ हमारा overall score बढ़ता जाएगा. All the very best guys. If you have any issues, have any problems, or want to reach out to me for any type of guidance, this is my number 9116324253. Just drop a WhatsApp message on this number. Hi sir, I need guidance. I'll reach out to you shortly. I'll call you back and we'll discuss what problems you're facing, what you're doing bad, what you're doing good, and then we can discuss on that and we can track your progress. All the very best guys. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe.